Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about how to write a manual script. Now, this might be a script where you're giving information about how to use a new product or a new piece of software. So think about it as a storyboard. Start out with each step and sort of think of that as, what would the narrator or what would the instructor say for each of these storyboard panels. So sort of map it out and write some dialogue that goes with each step. Think about it as a teacher's voice or an instructor's voice giving the step-by-step in this script. Now, have someone read the script and try and follow the instructions. This will be a great way for you to spot any places where you've left out important details or where something's unclear. So start with your draft storyboard, follow the steps yourself, and then have some other people follow them. It'll be amazing and enlightening how you'll find some places where you need to clarify some parts of the script. Then go back and incorporate all those changes in, make it clear, do another run through, see how clear it is, and then you should have a pretty solid script by following this process. So those are some ideas about how to write a manual script.